Hi, I'm NORSYAFIKA ALIA BINTI MAHMUD with number matrix AP210273. Here's I want to share about one of advanced machine which is multi-jet fusion in 3D printing. Multi-jet fusion MJF 3D printing is a high volume, high accuracy additive manufacturing technology developed by HP Additive. HP released the MJF printer for commercial use in 2016. Multi-jet fusion works by applying a fusing and detailing agent to a thin layer of powder in the shape of the part's cross-section at a specific layer height. A heat source then fuses the powder into the final part. The print bed moves down by the thickness of one layer, typically 80 microns, and the process is repeated. MJF is a relative newcomer to the additive manufacturing field when compared to older technologies like SLA, stereolithography, FDM, fused deposition modeling, and SLS selective laser sintering. MJF first introduced to the market in 2016. MJF was developed by HP Additive, building on the company's expertise in inkjet printing technology and precision mechanics.
Once the nylon material is loaded in the 3D printer and digital instructions are programmed, the print carriage moves across the powder bed as production begins. An inkjet array selectively applies fusing and detailing agents across the powder bed and is then fused by thermal energy into a solid layer of part geometry. Powder is distributed by a material recoating unit, and the process is repeated layer by layer until the build is complete.
These are the main steps in MJS post-processing. Firstly, cooling. This takes place within the build unit. HP offers module units for natural cooling, so the build unit can be used for a new print without having to wait for the powder and part to cool. Secondly, recovering unfused powder. Once the build unit has cooled down, move it to the processing station and vacuum the unfused powder into a container for later use. Lastly, bead blasting. Remove any remaining powder with the bead blasting, air blasting, or water blasting. You can do this manually or automatically using a tumbler, ultrasonic cleaner, or a vibrator finishing machine. Advantages MJF 3D printing is first, strength and durability. Nylon material with strong mechanical and durable properties, perfect for end-use parts. Secondly, time efficiency. Design can be made quickly with a minimum of material waste while maximizing strength and complexity. Thirdly, is cost-effective. And lastly, surface and detail. MJF has tolerance and features flawless to 0.1 mm. Disadvantages is slightly rough surface and only single color models are possible for MJF printers.